For that, appreciate you joining in with those trading ideas. Anuj is here in the studios to run us through the setup as he sees it. Anuj, good morning.
Morning, Prashant. You know that channel or that trend line is back. I just want to focus on that Dow Jones trend line, and that's very important because yesterday, if you see intraday, the market actually collapsed quite a bit, and then in last hour had a miraculous recovery once again. So the reason I want to point that out is that the Dow Jones is at an inflection point. It had a massive rally in August and then had that big decline right from this channel. In fact, 3 times it's gone to that this trend line, falling trend line, and has gone down. So that way, yesterday's intraday move and the fact that the US election gets over today, so this pre-result rally, is this going to run into rough weather? I think that for me is the only risk factor in the market. Otherwise, of course, the market's pattern is very strong. The Indian market continues to outperform. And there's this daily pattern that we keep talking about. There's a gap up, profit taking through the day, and then at 3 p.m. there's again a move because you're pricing in for next day's gap up and rinse and repeat. This is what's happening. The dollar index is at 109.6 versus peak of 115, which is something which is really helping our market quite a bit. The Nifty very close to 52-week high and live high. 52-week high is 18,351. Live high is 18,604. I think if you open at 18,350, it's a simple trade to take your money off, step on the sidelines, wait for that decline, which the market gives you intraday, and then the zone perhaps to enter would be 18,250. If you get there, perhaps that's a good risk reward. And Nifty's base has now moved up to 18,050, which is a strict stop loss now for positional bulls. I think the bank Nifty is very interesting because you open today perhaps at a new all-time high. The all-time high is 41,840, which was what we did just last month. So we open above that, maybe at 42,000 you do see some profit taking. But as I said, the one indicator I'll watch out for from here on is how the US market behaves after the elections.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that, Anuj. Well, Deven's still with